Bay Area Roofing is a family-owned and operated roofing company that has been serving the west coast of Florida for 3 generations since 1984. We offer repairs, complete roof replacements, and service on shingles, tile, and flat roofs using a variety of textures and styles. We are state licensed and insured, and we're committed to providing exceptional service with a quality price. We use the top-of-the-line products and are an Owens Corning preferred contractor, as well as a Borough Tile certified contractor. We provide a free written estimate to all our customers, as well as extended warranty on all roofing products and services. We also offer a variety of finance options. Here at Bay Area Roofing, we're not only committed to your home, but we're also committed to your family and their safety. Included in our abundant colorful selection, the Owens Corning Duration shingles, designed to withstand hurricane force winds up to 110 miles per hour. We also offer the revolutionary Owens Corning Duration Premium shingles that can endure winds up to 130 miles per hour. Let our team of commitment, highly skilled experts transfer your home from mediocre to magnificent. At Bay Area Roofing, we are also confident in the quality of our work that we will offer a 20-year guarantee on all Florida tile roofs installations. We are a proud member of the Better Business Bureau and continue to have an A+ rating. So call 727-578-1138, or you can find us online at www.bayarearoof.com.